Nowadays, giant machines play an important role in the forestry logging process. With the ability to quickly cut and process wood, these machines have helped optimize labor efficiency. Please follow the operation of these powerful and advanced machines. Advanced Timber Pro TEL 735 equipped with LogMax 7000X is a dynamic duo that is reshaping dense forests. Witness the Timber Pro TEL 735X incredible cutting capabilities, reaching new heights of efficiency. Dense forest in pine clear felling, South Africa, the formidable John Deere 1270 is equipped with the precision of a John Deere half 480 harvester head. This logging mill boasts a powerful 300 horsepower engine, easily conquering the forests. With a cutting capacity of 32 inches, it turns the forest into a productive land. Let's see the wood sawing process of the McCulloch 797 125 sec machine, a formidable tool designed to conquer giant oak trees. Featuring a 404 full chisel chain with blade set at 0.35 inch. This chainsaw boasts the perfect equipped with a powerful 72-inch bar and an impressive 6-foot reach. The Style 90 chainsaw can handle oak with precision and great prestige in a short amount of time. Tree Monkey ported 661 chainsaw equipped with a 60-inch command bar and precision 404 chain. Witness the sheer power as it handles a giant log, transforming it into a finely cut wooden masterpiece. Embark on an exciting journey with the 3120 M-Seat 181 and Gate 188 chainsaws as you take on the challenge of felling majestic dead oak logs. With exceptional power and precision creating an effective symphony, turning even the hardest woods into a pleasurable experience. Embark on the forestry revolution with the Lischeit 240.8 of equipped with the Woody Was 61 harvester head. This logging machine has a powerful 240 horsepower engine with a cutting capacity of 36 inches, easily conquering towering trees. It turns the forest into a productive land. The power of innovation with the Hydrocom Kessler 28 HHEHIE processor, a forestry masterpiece in Udine. Equipped with an incredible 72 chem cutting capacity, this machine redefines efficiency in woodworking, conquering the toughest challenges. Continue with the Seam 616B cutter, an advanced woodcutter that defines precision and power right in the heart of the forest. With its combination of innovation and robust design, the Seam 616B exemplifies excellence in forestry. Husqvarna 3120 chainsaw is equipped with a 32-inch blade. With precision and power, this chainsaw becomes a symphony of cutting power, turning giant logs into exquisitely crafted wooden pieces. The Pons Ergo 80 mower from Starcoals is like a real giant in the forest. Equipped with an 8-wheel drive system, this magical logging machine can navigate rough terrain with ease. The 300 horsepower engine combined with an impressive 24 head ensures fast and efficient wood cutting. In the cold Swedish forest, the powerful John Deere logging machine is equipped with advanced technology, easily handling giant trees. With precision and efficiency, the John Deere logging machine is a reliable force that makes an important contribution to the development of the forestry industry. The Style 90 of saw, equipped with a 75 cam bar with a sharp saw blade, perfectly combines cutting-edge technology with raw power, making it a force to be reckoned with in the world of wood carving. The McCulloch 797 chainsaw is equipped with a powerful 123C geared motor with a fully chiseled 5/8-inch square chain that easily tackles any wood carving challenge, demonstrating efficiency and precision. This formidable McCulloch 176 Classic chainsaw boasts a 36-inch cutting capacity equipped with a powerful 99s engine and a steel 404 chain, allowing it to conquer the most majestic oak trees with ease, graceful and precise. Close-up of the woodcutting process of the Timber Pro 630s machine in the beautiful scenery of Spain. With advanced technology, skillfully conquer dense forests. Woodcutters are supported by Shin Systems Power Pack in Black Mountain. This advanced equipment not only improves efficiency, but also provides a seamless layer of support for loggers, making it an indispensable tool for navigating the challenging terrain of Black Mountain. A powerful cutting machine combined with a man's skilled hands processed a giant log, turning it into countless smaller pieces. This industrial marvel demonstrates both strength and precision, easily conquering the challenges posed by the giant block of wood. Once again confirming the power of the Style Hybrid F's at an impressive 60 inches long, this rod defies all expectations, dominating giant logs with unparalleled precision. Forest Adventures with the Komatsu 951X and Kone 164 are a dynamic duo that represent an important role in forestry. With unparalleled precision and power, moving seamlessly through jungle terrain with ease, combined with advanced technology and rugged construction. The Komatsu 951X and Kone 164 deliver outstanding performance, setting new standards in the wood industry. With an advanced chainsaw designed to handle ancient pine trees, the saw easily moves through dense wood. With its outstanding cutting power, this machine turns the challenge of old pine trees into an enjoyable experience. The MIS 500E chainsaw is a true wonder in the world of woodcutting. This advanced machine seamlessly handles giant trees with breathtaking cutting speed and precision. The MIS 500E turns the difficult job of felling large trees into an art. Environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know. We promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again.